Are we on the brink of a new Ripple SEC showdown? With XRP trailing behind the broader crypto market, Ripple's CEO has called out the SEC, sparking heated debate over the future of this high-stakes legal battle. What does this mean for XRP's price, and could we see a major market shift soon? Stick around because we're diving deep into today's hottest XRP news that you won't want to miss. Welcome back to the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in the crypto world. If you're a fan of cutting-edge news, market insights, and expert opinions on everything crypto, you're in the right place. Today, we've got some game-changing updates on Ripple, the SEC, and how the latest developments could impact XRP prices. So buckle up, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to stay ahead in the fast-moving world of cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll be covering Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse's fiery response to the SEC-aggressive tactics, Bitnomial's unexpected lawsuit against the regulator, and how these moves could impact XRP's price in the coming weeks. Plus, we'll discuss Ethereum's latest price action, fueled by none other than BlackRock. And if you stick around until the end, we'll give you our take on where XRP and ETH are heading next. Now, let's dive into the details. XRP trails the crypto market. What's happening? Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. While XRP did gain 1.55% on Friday, closing at $0.5382, it's underperforming compared to the broader crypto market, which surged over 3%. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, why is XRP lagging behind while the market is rallying? It all boils down to uncertainty, my friends. With the SEC's appeal still looming, many investors are hesitant. They're waiting to see how things play out between Ripple and the SEC before making any big moves. And can you blame them? The stakes are incredibly high. SEC appeal. A battle that's far from over now. Let's talk about the SEC. Back in July 2023, Ripple scored a major victory when the court ruled that XRP sales weren't classified as securities. It was a massive win for Ripple and the entire crypto community. But the SEC wasn't going down without a fight. On October 11th, the agency filed a notice of appeal, challenging that very ruling. Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse didn't mince words, calling the SEC's appeal strategy a new low. In his view, the agency is operating above the law, ignoring court rulings that clearly state XRP isn't a security. I have to say, Garlinghouse has a point here. It's one thing to lose a case and another to completely disregard a judge's ruling just to push your agenda. From my perspective, the SEC's aggressive stance is a double-edged sword. Yes, they're trying to establish their authority over crypto regulation, but at what cost? The more they push, the more they risk alienating not just Ripple, but the entire crypto community. Investors want clarity, not legal battles that drag on for years. Bitnomial's lawsuit. Adding fuel to the fire, and just when you thought things couldn't get more intense, Bitnomial steps into the fray. This crypto derivatives exchange has filed its own lawsuit against the SEC, accusing the agency of overreaching its authority. Specifically, Bitnomial is challenging the SEC's jurisdiction over XRP futures contracts, which, according to them, should fall under the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC. This is a fascinating development because it introduces yet another legal battle for the SEC. It's almost like the SEC is fighting a war on multiple fronts, and at some point, something's got to give. Personally, I think Bitnomial's case could set a precedent for other crypto companies to follow suit, challenging the SEC's authority over the industry. What does this mean for XRP's price? So, how does all this legal drama affect XRP? Well, as long as uncertainty looms over the SEC's appeal, XRP may struggle to gain momentum. Right now, XRP is hovering around the 55 cents mark, but that could change in an instant, depending on how this legal battle unfolds. If the SEC presents a strong case, XRP could drop below 50 cents, signaling a bearish trend. On the flip side, if Ripple wins again or if the SEC decides to withdraw its appeal, which, let's be honest, seems unlikely, XRP could rally towards $1. Personally, I'm cautiously optimistic. Ripple has shown time and again that they're not afraid to take on the SEC, and their legal team is top-notch. But the crypto market is volatile, and nothing is set in stone. Ethereum's big moves. BlackRock's $18.5 million ETH buy now. Shifting gears a bit, let's talk about Ethereum. Over the last 48 hours, ETH has been on a tear, gaining 7% and peaking at $2,485. What's behind this rally? Well, it turns out that BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, sold off $11.34 million worth of Bitcoin and scooped up $18.5 million worth of Ethereum. This move by BlackRock has sent shockwaves through the market. Some analysts see this as a sign that BlackRock is bullish on Ethereum's future, especially with the growing interest in Ethereum ETFs and the potential for higher yields from staking. Personally, I think this is a clear indication that institutional players are starting to view Ethereum as a long-term play, not just a speculative asset. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite this massive ETH buy, BlackRock's portfolio is still heavily skewed towards Bitcoin. They hold a whopping 369,640 BTC, valued at over $23 billion, compared to just 414,168 ETH, which is worth around $1 billion. So, while BlackRock is diversifying, Bitcoin is still king in their eyes. What's next for Ethereum? Looking ahead, Ethereum is facing some resistance around the $2,600 mark. Derivatives market data shows that there are over $300 million worth of short positions clustered around this level. That means the bulls will need to absorb a lot of selling pressure to push ETH higher. But with BlackRock's recent moves and a dovish US CPI report, the macroeconomic environment seems to be in Ethereum's favor. If the bulls can break through that $2,600 barrier, we could see ETH rally towards $2,700 in the coming weeks. So, there you have it. Ripple is locked in a fierce legal battle with the SEC, Bitnomial is adding fuel to the fire, and Ethereum is making waves thanks to BlackRock's bold moves. As always, the crypto market is unpredictable, but that's what makes it so exciting. If you enjoyed today's deep dive, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel for more cutting-edge news and insights. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts on Ripple's chances against the SEC or whether Ethereum will break past $2,600. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.